Hello guys, this is Sukada Kotak this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 13th September 2022. Before moving on towards the current affairs, don't forget to subscribe to our Instagram channel EduCARE Official. India will host the G20 Leaders Summit at the level of the head of states and the government on September 9 and 10, 2023. The country will assume the presidency of the G20 for 1 year program from December 1, 2022 to November 30, 2023. It is also expected to host over 200 G20 meetings across the country. The G20 is an intergovernmental forum of the world's major developed and the developing countries. G20 comprises of 19 countries including China, Australia, India, Germany, Italy, France, South Korea, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, the USA, UK, and the European Union. The government of India has released 384 medicines under the National List of Essential Medicines. The NLEM play a significant role in ensuring the accessibility of affordable quality medicines at all levels of healthcare. The health minister said that these medicines will improve the quality of the healthcare. The list has been formulated after extensive consultations with the stakeholders. Several initiatives launched as run-up to International Year of Millets 2023. The Ministry of Agriculture has launched this several initiatives as a run-up to the International Year of Millets 2023. They will help in creating the awareness about ancient and the forgotten golden grains. It is intended to showcase the health benefits of millets to raise awareness amongst the masses, and the contest will close on November 5, 2022. The Millet Startup Innovation Challenge has also been launched on September 10 to encourage the young minds to offer technological and the business solutions to the existing problems. International Dairy Federation World Dairy Summit 2022 being held in Greater Noida from 12 September to 15 September, where the theme is Dairy for Nutrition and Livelihood. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the International Dairy Federation World Dairy Summit 2022. IIM Bangalore declared as India's best B school in Financial Times Masters in Management ranking 2022. The first question for the day is, who is said to be appointed as the 14th Attorney General of India? The next question for the day is, India will host the G20 Leaders Summit in which year? The third question for the day is, when is the International Coastal Cleanliness Day observed? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The answers to the questions asked in the previous video are as follows. SCO Summit 2022 will be held in which country? The correct answer is Uzbekistan. India's longest rubber dam has been inaugurated in which state? The correct answer is Bihar. Who has won Asia Cup 2022 title? The correct answer is Sri Lanka. Shout out to Rujusha, Samriddhi Shirodkar, Shani, Yashvi Gangar, and Jyoti Joshi for giving the correct answers in the previous video. Also, don't forget, guys, that EduCARE is doing weekly current affair quiz contest where one winner will get Amazon voucher worth ₹100 every week. You just have to follow the certain steps. First, you have to subscribe to the channel. Second, you have to watch the daily current affairs regularly and comment the answers in the comment box below. And you will get a chance to win an Amazon voucher worth ₹100. So don't miss this opportunity, guys. Grab this great opportunity. That's it, guys. Stay connected to our channel for daily current affair videos. For more such MCQs, please download the app from the link which is given in the description box below. For classroom recorded lectures, books, ebooks, and test facilities, you can contact on the number which you can see on your screens.